Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Alan Wake error? We could not restore your saved progress? If yes, don't fret. This is a common issue that many gamers have faced, and we're here to provide you with some helpful solutions. First, let's understand the problem. The error message typically reads, "We could not restore your save progress. If you proceed now, your progress will be reset." This issue usually arises when players attempt to load a saved game. Some gamers have even reported encountering this error after a recent game update. Before we dive into the fixes, here's a quick tip. Restart your device and ensure that Alan Wake is updated to the latest version. Now, onto the solutions. Solution 1, allow Alan Wake through your firewall and antivirus application. Some gamers have found success by adding the game under their device firewall. To do this, access your device's firewall and antivirus settings. Check if Alan Wake is listed under the allowed applications. If it's not, add it to the list. Once that's done, restart your device and check to see if the error persists. Solution 2. Click Continue. This one might sound risky, but some gamers have reported that clicking Continue on the error screen doesn't erase anything and allows the game to start normally. However, we recommend trying this only after exhausting all other options, including adding the game under your device security program and reaching out to game support. If all else fails, and you're feeling brave, then consider clicking Continue at your own risk. To summarize, the Alan Wake error. We could not restore your saved progress is a common issue that many gamers face. The two potential solutions are allowing Alan Wake through your device's firewall and antivirus application and clicking Continue on the error screen. Remember, always ensure that your game is updated to the latest version and don't hesitate to reach out to game support if needed. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit quarries.com.